Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Here's a live look from Medford. We got some mid to high level clouds that are now starting to stream on in out ahead of the storm system that will bring our region rain tomorrow. Currently, we're sitting at 71 degrees in Medford. It's a little bit breezy now in the Rogue Valley. West winds sustained at 12 miles per hour, but we have been seeing some higher gusts at times. Here's a look at temperatures throughout the region, 60s and 70s for most inland areas. We're in the 50s, though, along the coast, 54 in Brookings, 71 in Montague, and it's 63 degrees in Klamath Falls. Winds are breezy down in the Shasta Valley. Also for the Klamath Basin, sustained winds out of the west in Klamath Falls at 17 miles per hour, and we've been seeing some gusts up over 20 miles per hour. And we do have some very low humidity values as well, so that's been an issue for those firefighters fighting that fire just to the north of Rogue River. But the good news is we do have some wetting rains on the way for tomorrow. We're starting to see those clouds thickening up, especially along the Oregon coast. And the rain is still well off to the west. We're going to stay dry into this evening and for much of the night, but some of that rain's already going to start to move in as early as the pre-dawn hours, especially along the coast. We're looking for a soggy day tomorrow for Curry County, and winds will be pretty gusty out of the southwest, highs in the 50s. Wet weather moving in for Northern California. A lot of clouds as well, highs in the mid to upper 60s for most spots. The Klamath Basin, cooler tomorrow, windy as well. Some gusts could push up over 40 miles per hour, especially through some of the higher terrain of the east side. We will see those showers spreading on in throughout the day. The Cascades will see some moderate rainfall, could be heavy locally at times. Snow levels are going to stay rather high with this system, mainly above 8,000 feet through the day tomorrow. And then for the Rogue Valley, a lot of clouds tomorrow, highs in the 60s. With periods of rain, especially through the morning. So when does it arrive? Well, the rain will start to move on in as early as around 4 a.m., especially towards the coast. And then as we head through the morning hours, that rain is going to become much more numerous throughout southern Oregon, Northern California. As we head into the afternoon, the showers and the rain, it's going to become a bit more scattered throughout our region. You'll see that here on Stormcast. Already starting to see in Curry County by early morning, that rain pushing into southern Oregon, Northern California. It spreads inland as we head through the course of the morning. This is around 11 a.m. and rain's going to be pretty widespread for Klamath Falls, towards the Medford area, and then back to the west, even towards western Siskiyou County and back to the coast. As we head late in the day, notice how the rain becomes more hit and miss and not so widespread throughout our region. And then some showers will likely linger into Thursday morning, especially near the Cascades. Snow levels by this point will be down around 6,000 feet, but we're not expecting any impacts on our higher passes. Any showers in the morning on Thursday will clear on out. Rainfall amounts will be highest near the coast and also near the Cascades. Here's a breakdown of rain totals for the Rogue Valley. 1/10 of an inch to 3/10 of an inch. I'm thinking we might trend towards the lower end of that scale. But for the coast and the coastal mountains, as well as the Cascades, we could see upwards of an inch of rain in some spots, with locally some higher totals for parts of the Cascades. And then after we get past this wet spot here through the middle of the week, we will see a warm up in the valley. Temperatures warming up into the middle 70s by the end of the work week. For the coast, wet and windy for your Wednesday. Also keeping an eye on some shower chances for the start of the weekend. Northern California, rain tomorrow, but likely going to miss out on any future rain chances through the end of the week and the weekend. The Klamath Basin, wet weather tomorrow, gusty winds expected, still pretty blustery as well on your Thursday. The Cascades and the Siskiyous, mainly a rain event with those higher snow levels. And then in the Rogue Valley, we are going to see that rain, some beneficial rain, but not going to make a dent, unfortunately, a big dent at least, in our drought.